Hi guys, this is your hottest chef on internet, Chef Prateek Dhawan, and today I'm going to take you guys to the streets of Hyderabad and try their famous Hyderabadi chicken fry. For Hyderabadi chicken fry, we'll start marinating first. For that, first I'm going to add turmeric powder, red chili powder, ginger garlic paste, chopped curry leaves, black pepper powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala. To add little spice, I'm going to add chili, fennel seeds powder, and last for seasoning, some salt. And now we'll start mixing the masala with the chicken. Make sure the masala is properly rubbed on the chicken, and only then you'll get a good flavor in the chicken once the chicken is ready. As the chicken is properly coated in the masala, now we'll start preparing it. For that, I'm going to switch on the gas first. Add 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. Now that the oil has heated up, I'm going to first add few pods of cardamom, 2 cinnamon stick, and few cloves. And once they start to splutter, I'm going to start adding chicken. And now we'll start sauteing the chicken for at least 5 to 7 minutes. At this stage, I'm going to add little water so that the masala doesn't burn off, and keep sauteing the chicken for at least few more minutes. Now that I've seared the chicken for at least 5 to 6 minutes, now I'll cover the chicken and let it cook on low flame for at least 10 minutes. Now the chicken is cooked for 10 minutes. It's time to open the lid. And now I'm going to add some curd into it. And I'm going to mix it nicely with the chicken. And with curd, I'm going to add in fried onions. Guys, as the chicken is almost done, let me tell you an important fact that you can make the same dish with lamb also, but for lamb you need to add raw papaya, as that will make the lamb cook faster. Now I'm going to add little lemon juice to it. And last, good amount of freshly chopped coriander. Now I'm going to mix it nicely. And we are done. I'm going to switch off the gas. And a Hyderabadi chicken fry is now ready to be served. You also definitely try this recipe and do let me know how it turned out. This is your Chef Prateek signing off. Take care and goodbye.